Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Breville. We replaced the O-rings in the steam boiler, and we also did a back flush and did a slight adjustment on the grind just for these testings. But let's see what we have here. We'll do espresso, and then I guess there it is. What a cool machine. Grinds, tamps, and then we'll bring it over there and you have an array of drinks to make. There we go. He said this machine came in, it was shorting out the circuit breaker. It had a leak in the steam boiler, which is something that does happen to these Brevilles, and we replaced all the O-rings. Once again, it's just test coffee, so that's how it's going to come out. But here we go. Let's get back, let's test the milk here. Steam. Auto stop at 140. Just stop it. There you have it. Thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.